Hello children, I hope you all are safe and are at home. Today we will read another chapter of the book Marigold for class 3 and today's chapter is The Balloon Man from Unit 5. प्यारे बच्चों, this is a poem and this poem is about a balloon man and the poet for this poem is Urs Filman. Kids, this poem is about a child and that child is a girl in this poem. This little girl sees a balloon man and what does she feel about that balloon man? This is the subject or the theme of this poem. Right? Now come to the poem. The balloon man. He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. And in the market square, he stays and never seems to think of lunch. What does the child say? Child is saying, he always comes on market days. वो हमेशा बाज़ार के दिनों में आता है. बाज़ार के दिनों, जिस दिन कोई पर्टिकुलर दिन जिस दिन बाज़ार लगता है. And holds balloon, a lovely bunch. और बहुत प्यारा गुब्बारे का गुच्छा, बंच, कलेक्शन उसके पास होता है. एंड इन द मार्केट स्क्वायर ही स्टेज. कहाँ खड़ा होता है वो? मार्केट स्क्वायर पे. मार्केट स्क्वायर मीन्स चौराहा. एंड नेवर सीम्स टू थिंक ऑफ लंच. और ऐसा लगता है कि वो कभी भी दोपहर के खाने के बारे में नहीं सोचता है. सीम्स मतलब लगना. ऐसा लगता है कि वो कभी खाने के बारे में नहीं सोचता है. नेक्स्ट पैरा. दे आर रेड एंड पर्पल, ब्लू एंड ग्रीन एंड व्हेन इट इज़ अ सनी डे द कार्स एंड पीपल गेट बिटवीन. यू सी देम शाइनिंग फार अवे. ये बलून्स किस कलर के हैं? लाल, पर्पल, बैगनी, ब्लू, नीला, ग्रीन, हरा. एंड व्हेन इट इज़ अ सनी डे, और जब चमकीला सा दिन होता है. सनी मतलब जब धूप निकलती है. जब ये धूप वाला दिन होता है, द कार्ट्स एंड पीपल गेट बिटवीन. बलून वाले के पास बहुत सारी भीड़ हो जाती है. ये भीड़ किसकी होती है? गाड़ियों की, लोगों की. और तब यू सी देम शाइनिंग फार अवे. और तब ये गुब्बारे बहुत ही दूर से चमकते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट पैरा. एंड सम आर बिग एंड सम आर स्मॉल, ऑल टाइड टुगेदर विथ अ स्ट्रिंग. एंड इफ देर इज अ विंड एट ऑल दे टग एंड टग लाइक एनीथिंग. कुछ बलून्स, कुछ बड़े कुछ छोटे हैं और सब के सब एक धागे से बंधे हुए हैं. टुगेदर आपस में. एंड इफ़ देयर इज़ अ विंड एट ऑल, और अगर हवा होती है, दे टग एंड टग लाइक एनीथिंग. ये आपस में एक दूसरे से टकराते रहते हैं. लास्ट पैरा किड्स. सम डे परहैप्स ही विल लेट देम गो एंड वी शैल सी देम sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Child is saying, someday, perhaps, शायद किसी दिन वो उन सब को जाने देगा. किनको? बलून्स को. And we shall see them sailing high. और हम उन्हें ऊपर जाता हुआ देखेंगे. Sailing, बोट चलाने को sailing कहते हैं. यहाँ पर चाइल्ड इमेजिन कर रहा है कि ये सारे गुब्बारे आसमान में तैरते हुए दिखेंगे. एंड स्टैंड एंड वॉच देम फ्रॉम बिलो. और नीचे खड़े होकर हम सब उन्हें ऐसे तैरते हुए देखेंगे. दे वुड लुक प्रिटी इन द स्काई. ये आसमान में बहुत ही प्यारे लगेंगे. नाउ द न्यू वर्ड्स ऑफ द पोएम. बंच. बंच मीन्स कलेक्शन. गुच्छा. स्क्वायर चौराहा. सनी धूप जब होती है तो उसको सनी कहते हैं. टग मतलब टकराना, खींचतान होना या खींचतान करना। Question answer. First question, where does the balloon man stand? And the answer is, balloon man stands at the market square. Second question, what happens to the balloons when there is a wind? Answer is, when there is a wind, the balloons tug and tug together. Third question and the last question is, what does the child like to see the balloon man do? And the answer is, the child wants the balloon man to let all the balloons off to the sky. Exercise is talk time. You have to talk with your friends or your siblings about the given topic. For example, first topic is, how high can balloons fly? Now you can share your experience about how far have you seen the balloons go in the sky. Second topic is, what do you like about this poem? You can share your experience and your friends can share their experience with you. Kids, you can also share your experience in the comments section. Me, for example, I liked about this poem when the child thinks that balloon man should let all the balloons off to the sky. You can write your experience too. Now kids, next exercise is word building. Identify the words from the jumbled letters and write words in the space provided. You have to unjumble the letters here, like LLABOONS. What it stands for? Balloon. LLOONS. ULBE, blue. WOLBE, below. CUNLH, lunch. LUNCH. PLOEEP, people. PEOPLE. CRAT, cart. CART, cart. Next is, put the words given in the box into the following groups: nature, food, color. Now options are given below. Nature, you can write wind here, and other you can write sky. Food, you can write turnip, and you can write rice. Colors, you can write green and white. Next is, how many colors can you find hidden in this maze? Write their names below. You have to find out the names of the colors here and you have to write below. Now please do it and try to solve this puzzle at your own. That will make you better. And if you are unable to find out the names of the color, please write me in the comments box and I will give you the answers. Right? Exercise is, fill in the blanks in the balloons with their opposites. You can find them in the poem The Balloon Man. One is done for you. Now this is based on the poem itself. One is never and the opposite of never is always. Small. Opposite of small, big. Rainy, sunny. low, high. Sit, stand. Balloon man was standing near the, yes, market square. Near, far. Next is team time. There is some hints for you to do this exercise, like take a magazine or newspaper which has colorful pages, cut out balloons of various sizes and shapes carefully using a pair of scissors, paste the balloons on a large sheet of paper, arrange them to make a colorful bunch of balloons, and draw a string for each balloon in a different color. Dear children, this is a very interesting exercise. Please try to do, and if you need any help, please watch the videos of Imaginative Sisters. There you will find the collage of balloons. Right? Now say aloud. String, stand, stream, sting, strong, still. Haul, haul, might, might, tail, tail, sail, sail. Here in the pink section, these are the rhyming words, but the meanings are different. Like haul. आपने previous chapter में haul की meaning क्या देखी है? इकट्ठा. And HALL haul, a big room. Mite, a very 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 small type of insect. Mite, मजबूत, strong. Tail, पूंछ, TALE tail, कहानी. Sail, मतलब बेचना, विक्रय. SAIL, sail means नौका चलाना, नाव चलाना. Right? Okay kids, have a nice time with this chapter. I hope you will get some benefit by watching this video. Bye. Stay home, stay safe.
Stay healthy.